So let me take you through Hamburg a little bit. Look at that. There's St. Michael's Church. But I'm walking the other way now, so I'll show you that again later. And this is a little statue of a woman who actually used to live in Hamburg. She sold lemons and tried to make a living with that. There we are. That's St. Michael's Church, isn't it beautiful? I love it. That actually, when I used to live here, that used to be my kitchen clock. In the background over there you can see Town Hall. You can just about see the tip of it. Let's go into town. It's actually quite cold today. I hope you can hear me all right. I don't know how the how the AirPods are doing. I've been having trouble with them lately because sometimes they pick up the sound really well and sometimes they don't. But since there is no background noise around me, I'm not in a cafe or anything, I think and I hope it should be all right. Look at a bit of snow around us. There we go. Let's go into town and have a look around Hamburg. I love Hamburg. The square here with the little Christmas market. This bookshop has been there for as long as I can remember. That's been there for ages. Right, let's have a look. Oh, Christmas market is still closed, so no point in having a look around there. As you can see, Hamburg Christmas lights aren't lit up yet. It's still too early in the day. It's actually, hang on, that clock I just saw said 7 o'clock. What time is it? Hang on. Oh, 20 to 11. Look, that is so cute. Glühwein, by the way, is the German word for mulled wine. It's so cute. The good thing in Hamburg is that you can always walk around without getting wet, or almost without getting wet in the city, because there are so many good shopping centres, and you can even take shortcuts via the underground, via some underground stations that are connected to each other, so you can almost get from one end of the city to the other end without getting wet. That's quite neat. If you know all the back ways and everything, that's a good thing to do. Which is why I'm staying inside now, because the weather outside is not kind. Oh, by the way, if you're ever in Hamburg and you need to have lunch, this is a really cheap and good place to eat. They're called Eat, and they're near the Gänsemarkt. So they're really central. Can recommend. And here we go, here's the next Christmas market. Look at that, aren't they cute? Look at my little gingerbread houses. Oh, that's so cute. But the sky is so grey today, but that is typical Hamburg weather. Not very different from English weather, to be honest. I would say, in terms of weather, Hamburg is probably the most British place in Germany. Should we have a quick roam across it? Not everything is open yet, we could. Oh no, actually I think almost nothing is open. But look, this is another little Christmas market in Hamburg. Right there guys, so I'm in a coffee house in Hamburg called Espresso House, which is actually a Swedish coffee company. I've been to them before, but I've never been to this one, and I must say I like the interior design. It's got sort of a safari vibe. Look, I love the vibe in here. I think it's really nice. But love the vibe. And you can look out the window here a little bit. And this is what I'm taste testing. So this is a gingerbread muffin. I'm very intrigued. That sounds promising, and I've got high hopes for this one. And this is I forgot what that was called, a chai bun. And this is a creme brulee latte. Also very intrigued. So these are the two things I'm most excited about. This at least, we'll see how it finds out. Oh, look at those beets. And here's my creme brulee latte. I'll go for this first. Oh, I love the smell. It smells exactly like creme brulee. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, honestly, this is seriously good. Oh. It tastes like liquid creme brulee. Except not quite as rich. It is better creme brulee, right? You can have more of it. And funnily enough, creme brulee would probably not be a dessert that I would order at a restaurant. If I'm at a restaurant and you're ordering dessert, I'd probably go for creme brulee. This is absolutely delicious. Let me show you again. It looks delicious. But I'm expecting it to be dry. Let's see. Soft. Okay, look at this. Look how soft this is. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it is very, very soft. Chai bun. That's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, smells very spicy. Spicy in the sense of lots of spices in it, as in, I don't know, chives, like cloves, of course, like cloves, aniseed, cinnamon. Very spicy. There's a lot going on there. So it is as spicy as it smells. It actually is a little bit spicy as in hot as well. Probably ginger, I guess, that's in there. Yeah, definitely ginger. It's not as dry as I thought it would be, so it's getting points for that. However, this is making me want to drink a lot of water because it's extremely sweet. Up to a point where even I say it's too sweet. Almost. If I would not be having the creme brulee latte, I probably wouldn't mind the sweetness. Or if I just had a salad or something that was really creamy and sweet, it would be fine. But for morning when you're having a sweet drink with it, this is not something to have a sweet drink with. So I think I'll put this away, I'll put this in a bag and save it for later. I was most excited about the creme brulee latte. Delicious. 10 out of 10. I was least intrigued about the chai bun. Better than I thought it would be. I'd give it 7 out of 10. But you have to bear in mind, do not have anything else so sweet. Now what I'm most excited about is the gingerbread muffin. What's that say? Oh, it says espresso house. Okay. Duh. See how soft this is. Oh, fair enough. This frosting on the top looks delicious. The frosting is very soft. Wow. Frosting is soft and delicious. Muffin is perfect, it's nice and fluffy. The muffin is really light and fluffy, which does not make it as rich and as heavy as the chai bun. I dip 10 out of 10. It's just like a breath of gingerbread air. Creme brulee latte, 10 out of 10. Gingerbread muffin, 10 out of 10. The chai bun, 7 out of 10. Yeah, that's my verdict for today. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for a musical surprise at the end again. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. The first Noel, the angel did say, 'twas to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep, on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.